Hello everyone, I've just came back on to share some of the cards that I've been making with you. They are all packed away in their cellophane, ready for sale, but I've taken this one out to show you, and I'm just hoping that I can stop the glare. So these are the little handbag birthday cards. They are, I think at the widest they're about just over 5 1/4. And yeah, they work out about 5 1/4 square. So you flip the little lid up here, you write your greeting inside. This is just a plain one. I need to finish off in there, I think. Close it back up, has a little gusset on the bottom, and it stands up like that now, although you can't see it. It stands like that. So I'll show you a few others that I've made, and hope I can eliminate the glare. Now I think these ones, I will take one out to show you. I think these ones are finished off inside with matching paper. Yes, I did finish that one off. So I think that was just my demonstration one for a start. So we have all different sorts. I'm sorry if the camera work isn't very good. I haven't done any videos for quite a while, so I've got to get used to it. So that's that one. We also have a pink and green one. We have this little green one. We have some are birthdays, some are especially for you, all occasions. We have a little print one. We have a very cheery yellow and green one. Nice little spring bag. We have another one. Now these dies, for these I bought from Snazzy Scrappin'. They have a YouTube channel as well. They have beautiful dies. I have a lot of their dies. I also have one for a toolbox for a male, but I'm going to do different variants with that. And when I get them made, I'll come back on and show you those. I don't know if this is the sort of thing that you want to watch, but if not, I'll just skip through. Some people are interested. So that's all my handbag cards. I have got, to put those aside, I have some baby cards. I hadn't ventured into baby cards before, but we had a go. Now these ones are 5 by 7. That's for a baby girl. I have another one for a little baby girl. I do have them for baby boys, but they must be tucked away in a different part of my card file. That's those ones, and we have this little cute little romper card. So that's what we've got for the babies. Now I'll just put that aside. I will show you the rest of my 6 by 6 cards if you're interested. I have got tons of them. So these are 6 by 6 cards. Most of them are blank inside so that you can write what you want. That's a gatefold card, opens up each side. Just a plain little happy birthday. These are all 6 by 6s. I think this one is an easel card. I could show you how it sets up if you want. Yep, so that pops up like that, and that's how it will sit. And then you just take that out and fold it down. I'll put that back. We have just another happy birthday. This is another gatefold card. I can show you how that does as well. So that is a one-sided. So that pops open that side. These are never-ending cards. I hope that I'll move that away so you don't hear the sound as bad. We have to be quick or it closes back up again. So we start off there and it opens to there, then it opens there, and it opens there, and it opens back up to the start. So that's the never-ending card. Just a plain thank you card. Best wishes. This is a single-sided. This flap here opens. This is another one here that opens just on this side. Same with this one. Now this one is a spinner card. I'll open this and get this one out. So where does the card open? This side, okay. So this part here spins around. If you've got nothing better to do than sit down and spin all day, good on ya. We have another plain happy birthday. Another happy birthday, and then this one is another never-ending card. So they're all the 6x6s. We've done the baby cards. The other ones that I have done are rocker cards. Now I'll open these and show you. Hope everybody's keeping well and especially keeping warm. The weather is so bitter. Okay, so that's the rocker card. They measure approximately 4.5 by 5.5. And they open and sit like that, or they rock. That was another die from Snazzy Scrappin'. I love their dies. They make card making so easy. So I'll just flip through and show you a few others that I've made. That one. World's Best Mum. Now if you like, I could come on and make a few cards while we chat. But otherwise, if you go to Snazzy Scrappin', I'll try to link it below, but I'm not very tech savvy, so I don't know if I can or not. But they have some wonderful things. And they are on YouTube, so... And as I said, I can, if you want, I can come on and do one online as I make it with the toolbox. But I've seen some wonderful ideas. They make them into nappy bags, you know, all sorts of things they use the dies for. So very versatile, and they come with all the dies that you need. So you can also interchange them. There's another one. There's another one, and I think we have one more. Yep, I think that's my favourite. So there we go. That's just a quick look at some of the cards I've made. I'll show you, big long container full of them. You don't want to sit through and watch all of those. And I have another container as well. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. I just wanted to come back on, let you know I was still around, just show you a few things that I have been doing. And hopefully, as I said, with the weather getting warmer, we'll be able to get back on and do a little bit more. So I hope you're all keeping well, keeping warm, staying safe, and we'll catch up with you again soon. Okay, bye.